Okay, so thanks for joining us with our Google Sheets training. We have the directions here saying create a new sheet called Notes, make the sheet red, and then link that sheet right here to A2. So let's go ahead and do that. Come down here and hit the plus to add a sheet. Now it's called Sheet 29. That's not what we want. So we're going to change that to Notes. And when we click off and we get our next direction, so we create a new sheet called Notes, make the sheet red, and then link that sheet over here to A2. So we're going to make that sheet red. So let's change that color. Here we go. Now we have a nice little red line at the bottom. Come back here, highlight the word Notes, come to the link, and we could do it to an outside, website or such, but we're going to come down here to Sheets and select the sheet we want, which is called Notes. All right, all done.